If you're shipping boxes with one or more units of the same SKU, also known as case packs, we recommend that you create reusable packing templates. These templates can be used for future shipments. You won't have to re-enter packing details every time you ship that SKU. Start by opening up the Send to Amazon workflow. Click the Packing Details drop-down menu in Step 1 and select Create New Packing Template. Select Case Pack Template as the template type. Units per box is the number of sellable units in each box. If, for example, you always get case packs from your supplier with 10 sellable units per box, you would enter 10 here. Let's say that the box dimensions are 8 by 12 by 16 inches and that each box weighs 15 pounds. Next, enter information about the prep and labeling for each unit. If Amazon has stored the prep type for this SKU, it will appear here automatically. Otherwise, choose the prep category that applies to the SKU from the drop-down menu. If no additional prep is required, select No Prep Needed. Now, tell us whether you want to prep each unit yourself or use the FBA prep service to have Amazon do it for a per-unit fee. Note that the fee varies depending on several factors. The same goes for labeling. In this example, because you or your supplier do all the required prep and labeling, you select Seller for the Who Preps Units field. Now back to the packing template name that we left blank earlier. If you have multiple manufacturers or suppliers, each of which packs differently, you might want to create multiple case pack templates for that SKU. You can create up to 3 case pack templates for each of your SKUs. Make sure to name each template so they're easy to tell apart. By clicking Save, you return to the beginning and can now see a preview of the template details you just entered. To edit or delete an existing case pack template, click the pencil icon next to the packing detail. After making your changes, click Save. To delete, click Delete Packing Template. Want to learn more about sending your inventory to Amazon? Search Send to Amazon in Seller University.